Your Windows PC suddenly shows a black screen. Error code 0xC0000225. Boot configuration data is missing. Your computer refuses to start, and all your files feel out of reach. But do not panic. In this video, I will walk you through every proven method to fix this error and get Windows running again.
Before we fix anything, you need to understand what BCD actually is. BCD stands for Boot Configuration Data. It is a critical file that tells your computer exactly where Windows is installed and how to load it. Think of it as the roadmap your computer follows every time you press the power button. When this file gets corrupted or goes missing, Windows has no idea how to start. And that is when you see error 0xC0000225.
This error can appear in several different ways. You might see a black Windows Boot Manager screen saying, "Windows failed to start," or a blue recovery screen telling you your PC needs to be repaired. Sometimes it references a missing driver file, a corrupted registry, or a missing WinLoad EFI file. No matter which variation you see, the root cause is the same. The boot configuration is broken.
Let us jump straight into the fixes. Method 1. Quick hardware checks. First, shut down your computer completely. Unplug the power cable, hold the power button for 15 seconds, then plug it back in and try to boot. Next, disconnect all USB drives, printers, and external devices, because they can confuse the boot order. If you have a desktop, open the case and reseat the SATA cables connected to your hard drive. Finally, enter your BIOS settings and make sure your main drive is set as the first boot device.
Method 2. Windows Automatic Startup Repair. If your PC can reach the recovery environment, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Repair. Windows will automatically scan for boot issues and attempt to fix them. If you cannot access the recovery screen, force it by turning your computer on and off 3 times during startup. This method is completely safe and takes just a few minutes.
Method 3. Rebuild the BCD using command prompt. This is the most effective fix. Boot from a Windows installation USB, then go to Repair your computer, Troubleshoot, and Command Prompt. Type these 4 commands one by one. First, bootreg/scanos. This scans for Windows installations. Second, bootreg/fixmbr. This repairs the master boot record. Third, bootreg/fixboot. This repairs the boot sector. Fourth, bootreg/rebuild BCD. This rebuilds the entire boot configuration data store. If it finds your Windows installation, press Y to add it. Then restart your computer.
If BOOTREC FixBoot gives you an access is denied error, you need Method 4. Repair the EFI partition. This happens on modern UEFI systems. Open Command Prompt and type diskpart. Type list disk, select disk 0, then list volume. Find the small FAT32 partition, usually around 100 to 300 megabytes. That is your EFI partition. Select that volume and assign it a letter, like S. Then exit diskpart and run this command. BCD boot C:\Windows/S:/F all. This copies fresh boot files directly to the EFI partition. Restart and your system should boot normally.
Method 5. System restore and disk check. If the error appeared after a recent Windows update or driver installation, use System Restore. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, System Restore, and pick a restore point from before the problem started. If that does not work, open Command Prompt and run CHKDSK C:\F/R. This scans your entire hard drive for file system errors and bad sectors, then repairs them automatically.
Method 6. Reset or reinstall Windows. This is the last resort when nothing else works. Go to Troubleshoot and choose Reset this PC. Select Keep My Files to preserve your personal data while reinstalling Windows. If even that fails, a full clean install from a USB drive will resolve the issue completely. Just remember to back up your important files first by removing the drive and connecting it to another computer.
Now, let us look at why this error happens in the first place. The number one cause is a corrupted BCD file, often from a sudden power outage or a failed Windows update. Other common causes include failing hard drives with bad sectors, incorrect BIOS settings after a firmware update, malware that attacks your boot sector, or accidental damage from partition management tools. Knowing these causes helps you take the right preventive steps.
To prevent this error from happening again, always use a UPS to protect against power outages. Create system restore points before major updates. Keep a bootable Windows USB drive ready at all times. And never force shut down your computer. If this video helped you fix the error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment below telling me which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.